Teams of IMPHAL East Narcotic Cell led by OC IMPHAL East Narcotic Cell Inspector Gauge Dev Kumar Singh, assisted by IMPHAL East Narcotic Cell SI P. Kiran Singh, one Executive Magistrate of IMPHAL East N. Ratan Kumar Singh and volunteers of Youth Athletic Development Association of Khetragaon apprehended one drug peddler with drug worth more than Rs.1.46 crore from Travel Market, Chekon, Chasad Avenue area yesterday around 2:50 p.m. The arrested person has been identified as 36-year-old Kamlalmon Vaipai, son of L. Zamkhonglung Vaipai of M. Molhoi village, Churachandpur. According to police sources, the team also recovered black polythene carry bag found containing some powder suspected to be heroin powder in 47 soap cases, 10 blue in color, 10 green in color, 27 maroon in color respectively. On weighing the said heroin powder using a weighing scale, it was found to contain 733 grams approximately, including transparent polythene without soap cases, estimated to worth about Rs.1.46CRORE in international value. The accused person, along with the seized articles, has been handed over to Porampad police station for taking up necessary legal action, the source added.